Because look at those faces on that post you looking at over there. Those are some of the thousands that have been murdered by police. We getting organized to actually get rid of this system. This system is not fucking good. We need a revolution to get beyond this. October 24th, rise up against police terror, police murder. If you want to learn more about that tonight at 7 o'clock, we're going to be in Manners, 80th and Cedar Avenue tonight. Carl Dix and family members that have loved ones stolen by police are going to be tonight going over what October 24th is all about and what it means. We have to come out and say no more to police terror and murder. No more! No more! No more! No more! No more! Resistance based. We are resistance fighters. We fight against this whole system. So whose side are you on? What kind of world you want to live in? You want to live in a world where they shooting at our youth at 12 years old or 7 years old? Or you want to live in a world where they can actually grow up to be who they're going to be? This society has no future for them, but the revolution does. We are the mighty, mighty Revcoms. Revcoms! Revcoms! We are the Revcoms! We are the Revcoms! The mighty, mighty Revcoms! The mighty, mighty Revcoms! Everywhere we go! Everywhere we go! People want to know! People want to know! Who we are! Who we are! Tell them we are the Revcoms. We are the Revcoms. The mighty, mighty Revcoms. The mighty, mighty Revcoms. Oh yes, we can turn it. Yeah. Turn it up. Come on.
We refuse to live like this. Blow your whistle, raise your fist. We refuse to live like this. Blow your whistle, raise your fist. We refuse to live like this. Blow your whistle and raise your fist. We refuse to live like this. Yeah. We refuse. Everybody's be in this fight. Because they ain't nothing but some cowards. They shoot children down. They shoot kids down. This is what the police do. We got to get organized. October 24th, rise up October against police murder and police terror. Whose side are you on? These murdering pigs, or you on the people's side that's saying no more to police terror and police murder? Because they are cowards. They are killing our children every day in the streets. They're strangling women in cells. What's so hard about this? They say the cops' job so hard. What's so hard about them shooting a 12-year-old down in the park? What's so hard about that? Ain't nothing hard about that. These cops are murderers. They got blood on their hands.
They got blood on their hands.
Tonight, Manor Church, 7 o'clock, Carl Dix and other family members that had their children stolen by the police. Stolen by the police are going to be speaking out tonight against police terror and police murder. These cops try to act like they're your friends, but as soon as you grow up, they shoot you down in the streets like dogs. Look at Mike Brown. He was 12 years old, shot down by the police and left in the streets while a dog come back and forth to piss on him. This is American KKK. This is what they do. That's just some of the thousands that have been murdered by police right there on that Stolen Lives poster. Look at that. Oh, this is what you are. We already know what you are. You murder.
They got
murder. Murder. Murders. 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 You got blood on your hands.
They got blood on their hands.
You got blood on your hands. Trying to kill them like you human beings.
But what kid you killed to get that football?
You a murdering pig. You got blood on your hands. We know what you about.
That's right. Call them what they are.
You can't fool us and you can't fool them. We know what you are. You're a murderer. 137 shots. That's so courageous, right? Jumping on top of the car, shooting people in the face. 15 shots. You a murderer.
They got blood on
your hands. And try to play like y'all human beings, like y'all are cool, and you killing children in the streets. Y'all are murderers.
Y'all murdered, you got blood on your hands.
They got blood on their hands.
Some of the thousands murdered by police. But you know what? People raising up for Ferguson to Baltimore. That you saying no more to your shit. They see it through your shit. And they call you out for what you are. Murderers. That's what we say. Blow your whistle and raise your fist. We refuse to live like this. Blow your whistle, raise your fist. We refuse to live like this. Blow your whistle and raise your fist.
Everywhere we go, people wanna know who we are. So we tell them, we are the Rev Cops. The mighty, mighty Rev Cops.
I can hear my neighbors sing.
Okay, yeah. Why don't you sing that?
Can hear my brother crying, I can't breathe. Caught up in the struggle, I can't breathe. Calling out the violence of these racist police. And I ain't gonna stop till people are free. No, I ain't gonna stop till people are free. I can hear my sister crying, I can't breathe. Caught up in the struggle and I won't be. Calling out the violence of these racist police. And I ain't gonna stop till people are free. Said I ain't gonna stop till people are free.
Fuck the police.
That's right.
The police are killing our children in the streets. They murderers. They got blood on their hands. Look how they roll up in here like they running some shit. And they killing Tamir Rice. He was 12 years old. Under 137 shots. They shot at 2 unarmed people. That's what they do. This is no genocide that those police are over. This is what they represent. They are cowards. They are cowards. They not fucking heroes. They are fucking murderers. They got blood on their hands. Look at them. Look at them. They can't look at this sign. They know this sign. Why y'all kill Tamir? Why y'all kill Tamir? You can't answer for that. You shot a 12-year-old boy down. Your whole system is illegitimate. All your shit is built on bullshit. All of it. All of it is built on bullshit. All of this shit.
Murderers.
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 They got blood.
Murderers. Murderers. Look at them. Get back in the car, murderers. Murderers.
They got blood on their
They
hands.
got blood on their hands. They murderers. That's what they done. This is what they represent. This is no bloody genocide right here. Which side are you on? October 24th. Rise up October against police murder and police terror. We ain't going for this shit no more. We rolling over y'all pigs. Y'all fucking murderers. Fuck the police. 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 Hey, murderers. Fucking pigs. Murderers. Murderers. You're not welcome in the community. Get out of here. You're not welcome in the community. Murderers. Murderers. You're not welcome here. Yeah, book quote. Indict, convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Indict, convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Indict, convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Indict, convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Indict, convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Indict, convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system.
Convict, send those killer cops to jail. The whole damn system is guilty as hell. Convict, send those
you blow the whistle on the pig.
That's right.
Okay.
Come on, y'all, join us on the spot. If you hate how this world does people, join us. Because we don't have to live this way. All this suffering, all this destruction, all this murder by these pigs, and they steady getting away with this shit. We don't have to live like that. We got to get organized to get rid of this shit. That's what we be doing. We don't be sitting on the sideline, waiting around for somebody else to do it. We got to do this ourselves. If we don't do it, nobody gonna do it. Ain't no savior coming from Washington, okay? Ain't no laying down hoping this stops. We got to get organized and get with us now. Tonight at Manus Church, 7 o'clock, convicts and families that had loved ones stolen by the police are going to be there tonight talking about the importance of October 24th. Rise up October against police terror, police murder. Whose side you on? You got to ask all your friends and family that. Whose side are you on? What kind of world you want to live in? If you hate this, you need to be fighting this to end this. We're not trying to get no legislation done to try to hope they prosecute one cop. No. We're trying to stop all police murder, all forms of oppression. Whose side you on? We can't live like this, but we got to get organized to actually make this happen. All this oppression and madness, this is their sister working. Join us. Some of those stolen lives, those are some of the thousands that have been murdered by police. We got a responsibility as human beings to actually step forward and fight this. We are the mighty, mighty Revcom. Y'all should join us on the spot. Y'all should join us on the spot. Y'all should get some of this stuff out, and y'all should challenge everybody you see. We're going to be up at Black Lives Matter this week too. Challenge the people. Rise up day against police terror and police murder. You have to be in the streets. Get your ticket. Be in New York. Say no more to police terror, police murder. That stolen lives post you got in your hand, sister, that's some of the thousands that have been murdered by police. That's just something that we know about. What about the ones that have been murdered by police that we don't know about? What about Tamir Rice that was shot down and left in the snow to die? And his sister come out and they tackle her and put her in the back of a police car too. This goes on all the damn time. This is America. We call it America KKK. Because it's built on white supremacy and racism. And we actually need a revolution to actually stop this. But you know what? People been rising up. From Ferguson to Baltimore, the youth saying, no, we not going to live like this.
And still counting.
So what we going to do is blow our whistles and raise our fists. Because we refuse to live like this. And everybody, Baltimore, they broke Freddie Gray's neck. And the youth said, no, we ain't going to live like this. We ain't going to take this. It was a great uprising against white supremacy and racism. And we need a lot more of that, and we got to go even further than that. Because we're going to end police killing black and brown people in the streets. We're not going to live like this. And we the Revcoms.
Put out your cigarette. He basically pulled her out of the car, put a